Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Gemini and handle 1099 MISC where up. To withdraw funds from your Gemini account, first, log into your account on the Gemini website or app. Ensure you have completed any necessary identity verification steps. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section. Select the type of withdrawal you want to make, either fiat currency or cryptocurrency. If withdrawing fiat currency, choose your linked bank account. For cryptocurrency withdrawals, select the specific digital asset you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review the withdrawal fees associated with your chosen method. Confirm that all account details are correct before proceeding. After confirming, initiate the withdrawal request. You will receive an email confirmation regarding the withdrawal. Next, monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Withdrawal History section. Now, let's discuss handling the 1099 MISC form if it applies to you. This form is used to report income you earned from your crypto. If your earnings reach $600 or more in a calendar year, Gemini will issue a 1099 MISC. To access your 1099 MISC, log in to your Gemini account. Navigate to the Tax Documents section. Download the 1099 MISC form for your records. Make sure to review the form for accuracy. If you find any discrepancies, contact Gemini's support team for assistance. When filing your taxes, include the information from your 1099 MISC on your tax return. Remember to report not only your earnings but also any capital gains or losses from your cryptocurrency trades. It's important to keep records of all your transactions for accurate reporting. If you're unsure about tax implications, consider consulting a tax professional. This will help ensure you comply with IRS regulations and optimize your tax situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.